beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. I am Natural Mana, and today I'm showing you how I made my favorite cottagecore vintage summer preset. As you can see, I bring down the highlights to -100. I'm going to bring down the contrast a bit. You can just watch everything that I did in the light section, and now I'm going to go over to the color section. You can slow down this video or you can pause to capture the settings that I have created. And now we're into the orange. Then we're gonna go to all the colors because I'm gonna be changing everything. So just watch what I did and you can pause as you go along. Now this preset is really for photos that are more of a cottagecore vibe, photos that looks like a summer, like picnic photos, because this preset doesn't go well with every photo. If you're trying to give off that kind of vibe, like you want to give off a cottagecore, a fairy vintage vibe, then this preset is it. And of course you kind of want to dress the part to bring off or capture the whole preset. But even then, you can use this preset for simple summer photos, you know. Any photo that you want you can, but you have to play around with it, and if it doesn't come out to your liking, you can just change some of the settings. Now this is a photo I did recently, and I'm just gonna add this preset that I just created to it, and this is how the photo looks right now. Bam! That's how it looks. So undo the settings, and I'm just gonna repaste, and there you go. So it's for different photos. Any way you want it to look, you can just play around. If it's too light for you, you can darken it a bit, and you can do that in the highlight section or the contrast section. Also in blacks and white. So this is a photo I did recently as well, and as you can see, that's how it looked before, and now when I add a preset, it looks quite, yeah. This photo actually has another preset on it, but I'm just gonna add this one to it. Bam! Look at that. Beautiful. And that's how it looked before. Alright, so I'm just gonna be continuing on different photos. Just let me know you like it, and I hope that this preset goes well with some of your photos. If you have any ideas, any preset that you'd like me to create, just comment down below and I'll do them. Oh, this is my really favorite one. I did a picnic right here, and oh my gosh, look at this preset right now. Bam! Oh, so vintage. And hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Continue watching the video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day. Bye, beautiful souls.